Hi, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori, and today I have a Dollar Tree haul. And my little Alex, he likes to sit with me. Oh, don't go away. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I stopped on my way home. It's Friday. Ugh, allergies Friday. And I'm on vacation starting right this very second. It's true. I'm having some Irish breakfast tea in my Candy Cane Wishes Llama. Okay, sorry, my ring light's reflecting. So, it's hot too. Oh, it's delicious. I love tea. Hot beverages, apparently, are my thing. So I got some items. I don't think anything in here is Christmas related. Nope, it's not. Crafting related, but not Christmas. So, let's get started. Oh, but first, welcome all new subscribers. We're at like 2,080 subscribers. So I need to do a giveaway of some sort. As soon as we hit like some number. I don't know, a number. When we hit a number, I'm going to have a giveaway. But thank you and welcome, and thank you for all your kind comments and support, and the Christmas card exchange was so exciting. If you didn't get a card back from me, that means I didn't get one from you. But let me know if you sent one and give me your address, because I did mail everybody out that I received, but you know, with the mail, who knows. So welcome. All right, we've got stuff. We'll start with this bag. I got the boys some toys. Now, I don't usually play with these type things. I mean, it's not that I don't. I'm just not home a whole lot. And Wellington is a different cat. He was, he's an outdoor cat, so he never really liked to play with a lot of toys. He really preferred killing things, if we're being honest. Alex is indoors and he likes to play. Well, he's also tearing up my end table, which is wood. He's been scratching that in my carpet. So I bought a scratching thing. If I can reach it, I'll show you. I got it. So I bought this like 3-legged thing, and they're terrified of it. Neither one of them will touch it. I have catnip rubbed all over it. I put treats on top and made Wellington come get it, and they're like, no, we want no part of this. So, my thought is, yeah, perfect. I bought a couple of these that I might zip tie onto it and try to make it a little more enticing, more so for Alex, because he's the scratcher. So, I got 2 of these. We'll try just one. I don't know if he'll come over here. Alex. We'll try them. So I got 2. They're $1. I'm not that concerned. But they look fun. I mean, they're soft like a chenille with a little ball on the end. So fun. There he is. We found his favorite ball, meaning I went downstairs and dug it out again. He knocks it down the stairs into the basement and then he can't get it. It usually falls behind the dog gate. So I went and got it for him. So he's playing with that right now. But I'll see if I can entice him. So anyway, I got 2 of these. And then I got some long zip ties. I have the shorter ones, but these are pretty fat. So I got a pack of long zip ties. And these are Tool Bench. There's 30 of them for $1. That's a really good deal for that many. So I got that. And then some things I needed for the house were aluminum foil. I love this aluminum foil. It is 27 inches long. It says heavy duty, but it's not really heavy duty. It's probably the same thickness as the Reynolds wrap, but it fits over my half sheet pans for when I bake bacon. And it covers the pan completely, so I really can just throw this away. It makes cleanup easier, and for $1, you get 27 feet. So I grabbed that, and then I needed some regular aluminum foil with the holidays coming, you know. Delicious. I'm going to use the cat tree that they won't use to hold my tea. Rude cat. Let's see. I actually went to $2 trees because I didn't see everything. More toys we don't play with. I didn't see everything at the $1 tree that I was wanting, so I went to my other one. But I found some neat signs. And this says, bless our home. And do you see the little sheeps and the little farm detail? I mean, these are neat. It's like a red wood, and then this is just a sticker on the front. It's not painted. And quite frankly, it's not the best quality, but it was $1. And you can hang it. But the people that I got it for, sorry, my nose is itching. I thought it would sit nicely on their mantle. So this is for my cousin Debbie. And I just love the sheebies. And then for my brother Jay and his wife Ellen, I picked up Home is Where Your Story Begins. I just thought that was sweet. And if they don't like it, it was $1. If they don't want it, you know, whatever. And then for Sarah, I got Love is the Heart of the Home, and more sheepies and little homes. And she has a mantle that it can go on, which I'm sure she'll put on her mantle. And then for my mantle, I got Welcome Family and Friends. Family and Friends, yeah. Now, like this one's lifting away already. I'll just get some glue, like some Elmer's glue, and tack it down. I mean, this is not going to get a lot of wear and tear, so I just thought these were sweet, and I like the red, and I like the farmhouse, and I like that it will, I like a lot apparently, but I'm going to love it sitting on my mantle. So I just need to tape down this corner. It's just paper. I can glue it down. No big deal. So I grabbed the 4 of those, and then I was at my second Dollar Tree by my house, and I picked up this one for my mantle. Just this Home Sweet Home, and it's just that MDF board with a little house on top, and I just thought that was really sweet. And honestly, if I don't love it, which I do, but maybe if I ever want to change it, you can totally paint this and put whatever you want on here. So I got this one for me. And then for Sarah, I got To Teach is to Love, because she's a teacher. And I thought this and that would be really cute on her mantle. She likes to decorate her mantle as much as I do, so it's not a Christmas present or anything. I just picked them up because we'll be taking our Christmas stuff down soon and putting up the other ones. And then they had a couple more. One that says something, a wine and friends should be old. And it had like a bottle of wine up here. And then there was another one, but these are the ones that I liked. So I grabbed that. And then still in the vein of my mantle, I picked up just one of these gold frames. And I might distress it a little bit or not. And I'm probably going to put like a picture of my cats or I don't know, somebody in here. Somebody will go in here to go on my mantle as well. So I grabbed that. I love decorating my mantle. And then I just picked up these for crafting purposes. And these are the 8 by 10. Yeah, 8-inch by 10-inch stretch canvas. And there's 100 million things you can do with these to decorate. I can use my Cricut to vinyl. I can use the Cricut to use it for stencils. You can decoupage. You can free paint. And I thought for $1, these are a decent size. And I can make, you know, like a pair. Blurry. A pair of something. So for $1 each, I grabbed 2. Like you do. And then another craft product. I think this is the last item. Everybody's been hauling these, and I actually hauled a set of 4 for my dining room table. It looks like leather. But what I'm going to do with the 5th one that I just picked up today, I think I'm going to try this because this is textured. It's not flat, and I want to put a chalkboard in the center, but obviously you can't. I mean, you can, but it won't really write well. So what I'm thinking of doing is getting some, I'm going to sand this up, and then getting some putty, like wall putty, and putting a couple thin coats on here to make it really smooth and sand it, and then paint the chalkboard paint on it. I'll do a video if it works out, or as I'm doing it, and hopefully it works out. Because you need something thickness. I mean, I guess I could do 100 layers of Mod Podge, but I think the putty will work out better to fill in the grooves. The other thing I could do is just take a piece of like cardstock and cut it and glue it down and then paint it. But honestly, I think if I want to use it as an actual chalkboard, which I do, then I need to put something a little more secure than just paper. So I grabbed one more while I saw it at my store, and they had like 3 left, but I just took the one. So that is it for my haul. I'm done with Christmas. Wrapping, purchasing. We're celebrating with my brothers and niece and my sister-in-law on Sunday, and then, so that's the 23rd, and then on Monday I'm going to Sarah's house, and I'm going to spend the night with her, with Sarah and her mom and stepdad and her brother, and then I'll come home on Christmas, and I'm on vacation. I need to clean my house. It's a disaster, but you know, it's Christmas. That's what it's like. I just need all of these presents and clutter behind me, like bags and bags of gifts. Like this needs to go to Sarah's house. That's all her stuff. And that pile over there is my stuff that has been shipped to me by a very kind friend of our family. And so I just have all that to do. All right, everybody. Well, you have a good night. I'm going to enjoy my tea. It's only 5:08. It's so early to be home. I'm so excited. And then I'll know what I'll do. But have a good one. Bye.